Can you bowl that strike? Can you make that split? If so, come on over to the Sheffield Knights bowling team. Here at the Knights bowling team, we want to make sure that you are having fun as you bowl, but you're also securing the bag and being brave knights. In the classroom, we want you to make that 2.5 or higher, have that behavior right, that attitude tight, and those grades on point. As a knight, we know you want to display characteristics of being bold, responsible, accountable, valiant, and excellent. And when we have all these things in order, oh, the bowling will be fabulous.
Every season we have a goal, and in order to reach that goal, we must arrive on time to games and practices, have winning attitudes at all times, give 100% at all times, and in that classroom, we must maintain that 2.5 GPA. We work hard so we can play harder.
So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and sign up for the Sheffield Knights bowling team. You can email myself, Miss Huff, or Coach Day, or you can complete the interest Google Doc on the SHS website. All we want you to do is come on over, join the Knights as we bowl and have fun, be brave, and secure the bag. We look forward to seeing you.